Hindi ko mabasa, tatay. Kasi may aking cellphone. Nakakaharang yung purple na yan sa aking screen. Yeah, I'm also selling rice, cooked rice, and uncooked rice. Nadali na naman to. Na-review na naman. Thank you so much. Kaya pala biglang naglima yung aking thumbs up Dumating kayo, tatay. Wow, naka 12 minutes na tayo. Kalahating kinda. Sakib Ganim, you're a businesswoman. Kinda. Bumaba yung aking thumbs up. Kanina 5, ngayon 4 na lang. I want phone call, but walang pera. Credit. Marunong ka magtagalog Walang pera. Utang. Galing ni Saki, walang pera. Utang. Oh, and dito si Janice. Janice and Power Loves. 4 a.m. na. Yes, pasara na ako, bunso. Yan, mega love shout out. Janice and Family Vlogs. Kalain mo yan, dumating pala si Janice. Yan. Kita. Yan, kindly support also Janice and Family Vlog. My friend. She is also doing live every day. No permanent time. Why, Sakibs? Wala. Marami tarbaho. Sakib. Why Tagalog, Sakib? Dito lang may idol host. Kain tayo. Uy, mayroon din ako prepare oatmeal with I'm going to eat oatmeal with milk and dragon fruit. Kunin ko lang tayo. Ayan, Janice. Kain tayo. Oatmeal with dragon fruit. Wow. Paano ko ba ito ano ba pipindutin ko tayo? Bakit iba na itong aking yung baka hindi na ako kabalik. Iba yung aking sa screen. Yung paano gawa ng highlights? Ba't nawala na rito yung highlights? Alin ang pipindutin tayo? Retouch.